became so dark. People were crying.
Olu ubiluhambo uThandi Zwane ekade elunqwenela kusuka ngo-2011. Kodwa kwinzukwana nje efikile eLagos, uhambo lwamaphupha akhe lwajika lwayincindi yekhala xa kusehla oku.
I was there for 13 hours. We were very thirsty there. We were getting water from the drops of this wall that was on top of us. With air, there was nothing there. It was so difficult to breathe. But as I said to you before, as we're calling on God, bring oxygen.
Imithandazo yakhe ikhangeleka njengefumene impendulo. Umangaliso ngowokuba uThandi usindile eshiyeka nje nenxeba apha emlenzeni.
For about that 12 hours, I was like this, and there was a lady next to me. I was sleeping on her abdomen. I can't move. She was crying all this time.
Ukhakutshelo Ramoba yena ibe lukholo lwakhe olumkhuphe apha. Kwimizuzwana nje sidilikile esakhiwo uRamova uye walahlekelwa zingqondo.
I knew that if I didn't die, there's no way that I'm going to die. I'm going to make it. There's no way. No matter how long, it can take even 5 days. But I know that I will make it.
Uswapho lwakhe lukhulekile kukubuyela kwakhe ekhaya.
We were trying to locate him. There was no any signal whether he's alive or not. So, though we didn't lose hope, but personally, I was so scared that probably he didn't make it.
uThandi noKhathuchelo babala iintsikelelo ngokusinda kwabo kule ntlekele. Ndingumalungelo Boyi eGauteng.